Hello friends, if you're part of the family, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. We're in my bedroom today and I'm actually going to be giving myself a trim. I've been cutting my hair for a few years, well, several years now. For major chops, I do go to the hair salon, but here in Spain, I haven't been able to find one just yet and I do need a good trim. I also cut my daughter's hair and it's something that I feel comfortable doing, and if you mess up hair, you can always just grow it out. So here I am. This is gonna be my very first time giving myself a curly cut, just because I'm not going to be wetting my hair. I'm gonna be cutting it dry. And so I watched a few YouTube videos, which obviously think now I'm qualified to cut my hair, but it should be fun. If you're watching this, it came out okay. All right, so let me give you just a quick rundown as to how my hair looks now. Last time I chopped my hair, the big chop was over a year and a half ago. I've been trying to grow it out and I've been trimming it on my own, and I usually, like I said, do it wet. But this time, I'm gonna try it, cutting it dry. So this is what it looks like. It's quite long. It's actually way longer when it's wet. Like it's like all the way down, almost to my waist. But as you guys know, curly hair, like it just kind of shrinks up. So this is what it looks like now. I do have some layers. Hopefully I'll be able to trim those layers as well. So I can stay with having like a layered look. But this is what it looks like. Let's get started. All right, so first things first, I usually always wear my hair off to the side, but this time I just kind of push it all back, split it in half, which is what the video said that I saw. And what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to cut, I'm gonna try to cut each curl, okay? So hopefully this is just a trim and not a major cut, because if not, then the title of this video will be giving myself a major cut. All right, so I'm gonna grab each curl, like, there's a few curls here, but I'm going to snip just the end, just a bit. Okay, I'm gonna push it off to the back. There's a few here, this one. I still want to grow out my hair, and so I don't want to cut too much. So look at that. At the end. Got a few curls here. Just morph them into one. And at the end. I have a lot of curls, so I feel like if I cut each and every one of them, then I'm gonna be here for a long time. Here, like these. I'll just morph them into one. And then I'm cutting maybe like half an inch to an inch, depending on their curl pattern. After I'm done trimming them, I'm gonna bring them all to the front and I'll see how I can make sure they're all the same in length. Here, I'm gonna bring them back, see if there's any that are kind of sticking out. It looks pretty uniform. Okay, now we're gonna do this side.
You got it all in
here we go. So this one, you see how it's a little longer? So I'm gonna cut a little bit at the end. Let's do another layer. So pretty. Okay, this was gonna start getting interesting because my layers are gonna start popping up and I wanna trim those. See, there's some that are already kind of long. You see over here? Look at that. That I can cut already. Okay, so I'm gonna start from the back. I don't mind cutting these a little shorter because I do want some layers. So I'm gonna cut a little more. So I think I'm gonna cut maybe like a whole inch off now of the ones over here. I want to make sure I'm getting that layer, that second layer that I took down. See, I'll cut a little more. I'm cutting a lot of hair. Hopefully this comes out really good. If you guys saw this, if you guys are seeing this video, then it came out good, guys. See, like this area, these curls over here are always softer. They're not as tight. So I have to. There we go. And then over here, maybe these, we'll cut a little. And what I like about cutting it curly is that I know already where the curls are gonna go. You know what I'm saying? Like I want these a little shorter. Here we go. This is kind of nerve-wracking. Because now I'm not cutting each and every hair or curl. I'm just grabbing it to see that they fall in with the layers. Okay. We can start from the back. That was a lot. Oh my goodness. Here we go. That was a lot of hair. Oh my goodness. Lord, please be with my hands. Be with my scissors. If you guys were to see the bottom right now, like, oh my goodness, there's a lot of hair down there. If you're a hairstylist, hair person, please don't, just turn off this video because I'm sure I'm probably gonna give you like the heebie-jeebies how I'm cutting my hair. Okay, let me see. This seems to be a little longer here. Here we go. See if they're the same length. These are longer. So I'm gonna cut below my finger. That way I don't cut them too short. Let me see. Okay. Okay. So I think that next, I gave myself some good layers. Let me see. Okay, there we go. Let's keep going. Please, Lord, let me not mess up my hair, please. go. I can already see some strands that are even longer than the longest that I want. So I'm gonna start from the back. Here we go. And we're gonna cut it into the length. Whew. See? The length that I just cut the last one, maybe a little shorter so you can actually see the layers. You can see the layers. I mean, if I were to straighten my hair, you would see it would be like jagged everywhere. But I'm only cutting a few so that if I do mess up, the layers are not terrible. It's not like my whole hair is layered, but at least you can see a little bit. I feel like over here, this one may need to be cut a little more. Here. At this point, I'm not doing each curl, I'm doing like each bush. Okay, I need this one to be shorter. Okay, can you see the layers? You know what? It'll probably be after I wash my hair that I'll say, hey, I missed a spot here, or I want more layers here. And so, okay, let's see how it looks like in the back. I think it's looking kind of good. I see the layers. I think I would want more layers, but maybe I'll do that another day. Shorter. Right now I'm just trimming. Okay, this is gonna be very interesting right here. The last part, we're gonna put it. So I'm going to cut them so that they can look nice with my hair all back. And then I'll see how it looks when I put my hair up to the side. I usually just have my hair up in the side. Okay, so from back here, these already, I want them a little shorter. Here we go. So I'm just getting a few. See, so like I have the longest, then the next one's up, the next one's up, and then these. I want them to be a little. These a little shorter. Get them from the back. You make me look. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. So I didn't cut too much in the top because I already had some layers there, but I can already see like over here, And like I said, because I have curly hair, I don't straighten it, like ever. This is good because I know this is how it's gonna look like, you know? Let's see if the ones in the back over here match. Like if I have this right here, I can see if these match. Got a little bit right here. And that way the layers all fall the same. Okay, look at that. I think that's good. For this being my first time, I think it's good. I see my layers. I didn't cut too many, so you can I still have some length, but I love that I have some layers. So I'm just gonna overall just look at my hair like this and pull things out to see if they match. Like this one, I think we need to be cut a little more. And just overall, like at the same points, just like pull them out and just see that they match. Like over here, over here. I think I could have gone a little more drastic, but I didn't because this is like my first time. But the video that I saw, the girl was going mayhem. She was like, and actually her hair looked so pretty. So I'm sure if I ever go to a salon, they're gonna be like, who cut your hair? And I'll be like, YouTube. Okay. I love the autonomy of like figuring out what I like and doing it in my hair and not having to wait. Like I've gone to hair salons where I'm just like, I want this. And it looks nothing like what I wanted and they like messed up my hair. And so I'm pretty risky when it comes to my hair. All right, guys. So I think that's good. You can see some of the layers in the back. You see? Gave myself a trim. I'll keep an eye on it. And I'm still trying to grow it. So cutting the tips also helps in stimulating hair growth. Listen, at least we are, how do you say it? We are in the same length up here. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Please subscribe if you want to join our family here and hit the like button. It totally helps me out if you do. And let me know if you guys try cutting your own hair. All right, have a great day. Bye.